You can trade cryptocurrency with the help of your smartphone only. It's very straightforward. There's an app that I'm going to show you now to download in this video. That's why it's important you have to wait from the beginning of this video till the end. I'm also going to show you how I do day trading. So many people trade it by buying, waiting for price to go up for a very long time, for years, and then they get to sell off. That's what we call buying and holding. But then there's the derivative trading, which is what I'm about to show you. Just buying, predicting prices, smaller movements in BTC, USDT, and then getting to make money instantly. That's how most young guys right now are making money. Let me let you in on the secret. Very simple. All you need to do is to click the link right now on this description box. That link is the first link I'm going to be putting down here, which is like this, what you have on like my phone. Click on join here. So when you click on that join here, declare it open with any of your browser. It can be Safari, it can be Chrome, whether on your laptop or on your phone and all of that. So then you have a screen just like what I have right here with my picture at the top left corner. So then all you have to do is to put an email that you've never used before. So I'm going to be using firepeeps4x@gmail.com. And then I'm just going to be putting password. Easy peasy, right? So get my welcome gift, and the referral code has to be my name, because I'm going to be dishing out a lot of bonuses for those. I'm going to be bringing out competition for those who are currently under my link pretty soon. All I just need to do is to fetch, because they want to verify my email, all I just need to do is to fetch the 6-digit code that was sent to my Gmail. All right, simple. Let me just refresh. So there I have the code. All I just have to do is to put the code, which is 5061. Is going to be unique to you, 35. All right. So, and then that's it. And I just have to accept all cookies. Boom. Then it loads up. Welcome to account. Start with reward. Download the Bybit app and get up to $30,000 in welcome gifts. So anyway, since I still will be downloading the app anyway, I'll just click on download the app at this bottom so that it can immediately just take me directly to the app. But do not download the app until you sign up with the link that is below, so that we all can be at the same page and then we get to progress. Clicking on that, since I already have the app downloaded, I just need to click on open. Then all I just need to do is to put that same Gmail that I just put right now, which is going to be firepeeps4x@gmail.com, and then just put in the password. And then I get to click on login. Then do some puzzle sign check or humor check. Oh, I spelled the name wrong. Okay. Oh, I just checked that I spelled that name wrong and it's been corrected. And then I just click on login, then do some puzzle check. Then that will be it. I should be logged in like this. Your account should be like this. If it's not like this, then you have to check. The same thing you should also do in your Android. That's the exact same thing I'm also doing right here. So for Android, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store. So once you get on your Play Store, you just need to click on the search and then search for Bybit. Then you can get to open the application too. Then since you already have the account signed up, one account is okay for all of the platform. I just need to click on sign in, firepeeps@gmail, then YouTube. What's the $sign? Let me be sure everything is correct. It's intact. So just click on the login. Then you get to just do some few verification again, and then I'll be in. Do this very thingy. Then correct. So I'm in. That's the side of Android. So we have it on Android on my right hand, and then we have that for iPhone 2 on my left hand. And the next thing you need to do is to get it verified. It's pretty simple. You just need a bank statement or a utility bill, any one of them. So for those who are outside Nigeria, you can use your light bill and all that. But if you're in Nigeria, bank statement is just the simplest thing to just use, so you don't get to stress yourself. But that's a proof of address. They want to prove that you're a real human. You have an address, right? And the number 2, proof of identity. So you need either a driving license, passport, voter's card, or national identity card, any one of them. So I've got a passport, so I'm just going to be clicking on verify now. After I click on verify, then that's all I just need to do. That's the document I'm going to be putting there, so I don't want to show that. Click on that verify now. The same way you have it on your Android, all you just need to do is to click on verify now. And then on your Android, you see the things that they said you need. You have to verify. click on verify, select your location, provide them with the BVN. Everything is pretty safe right here, guys. Everything is safe. If you have gotten to this side of the whole thing, congratulations, you're already now a full verified crypto trader. Let's go. So the next thing you need to do, you can also have it on your laptop for those who are using laptop. All you just need to do is to go to bybit.com. All right, for those who want to use web, and then just go directly in. But if you are using phone, you're already verified, you should have your interface just like this as I have it on my mobile phone. All right, so you have it on bybit.com, and then you want to start trading, head straight to the point of trading. Then you come to derivatives. Under the derivative, you want to click on USDT perpetual. That's all you need, and then you start with BTC USDT. So it's going to launch you with a chart, the interface, which the common one you see on Instagram that people used to flash up, or on YouTube. This is how they were able to get here. Pretty simple, right? So on mobile phone, how to get that done is at the bottom, you see there's hope, there's market, there's derivatives, there's trade, there's asset. All you need to do is to click on derivatives. So once you click on derivative, you arrive at the same exact answer. So there are two tabs at the top here, which is chart and then the trade too. So if you want the trade side of things, when you want to execute trade, you click on trade, and you want the chart side of things, you also click on chart. Chart is where you get to do your analysis, and then trade is where you get to execute those trades. But on a PC or Mac or iMac, as I have it here, all of them are in the same place. So this is the chart to the left-hand side, and to the right-hand side, they have the trade too. All right. So on your laptop, you can just go to bybit.com, and then you have this interface. You sign in with all your login details. Then if first thing you want to do is to have your account funded, click on deposit, just fund it in. Don't worry, your money is safe 100%. After the verification, you must have that you've done, click on USDT, because I love to fund with USDT. And then you click on the chain you want to use. Me, I love to use TRC20. That's what I love to use. And then I just click on acknowledge. So that what that simply means is do not send from Ethereum, ERC20. Make sure you send from TRC20. All I just want to do is to fund this account with $100. So I can fund it with more, but because I just want you guys to know that any small amount of money can even get in, and I'd love to also make baby steps. So I'm just going to send in some money into this one right now. I'm just going to send in like I'll send in $100, right? I'll just send in $100 in. Pretty simple. So I'll scan this code, withdraw from my other account. I just want to send some money in. So it's that simple. I've scanned the code, select TRC20, then I'm just going to put $100, 101, because they're going to take $1 fee. That's from the exchange I'm sending it from. Then verification process, withdrawn into this account. So before now, I have $300 in my account. So this is how you just pretty much fund. By just clicking on that USDT or any means, they get to send money in. There are other means of depositing money, all right? So you can use the buy with Naira, you can buy with your local currency. You can also pay with P2P trading, like maybe you are outside of that country, you want to use that local country's currency to trade with people that have coin, and then they need your cash. You get to exchange your cash for the currency, that's P2P. And then deposit crypto, which is what I just used right now. So clicking on that deposit crypto simply means you have to use any coin like BTC, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, XRP. Then if you click on this drop down option, you even get to interact with more other coins that you could use to fund your account. All right, so this is the side of the funding. Pretty straightforward and simple. So right here, you see it was $2.99 a while ago. Now it's now $3.99. That shows that my $100 which I just deposited are just reflected in a couple of minutes. Obviously, it's TRC20. It's always very fast and it's very, very affordable. That's how to fund. Now let's head straight to the side of trading with this funded money that we have. Now the next thing is, let's try to execute a trade with this amount of money that we funded, just so we can experiment and then just get to familiarize ourselves with the interface, which is pretty simple. In order for you to trade on derivatives, it's very simple. You don't have business with any other thing here. Just come directly to derivatives and come to USDT perpetual, because that's what we are going to be trading on, and click on BTC USDT or any one of them at all. You can get to select any cryptocurrency that you want to trade against by just simply hovering around here. So if you hover around this section, you get to change from BTC USDT to Solana USDT to Ethereum USDT to anything at all. So anytime I'm going to be sending a signal on the Telegram channel, whether me or my admins are going to be sending signals, anytime they give you the code, all you just need to do is to come on here, search the code. Let's say, for example, they are giving you buy Solana. All you just need to do is to take the code which they are going to send to you, which is SOL USDT. So you already see that it's popped up right here, SOL USDT right here. So once you click on that, that would immediately bring you to the Solana side of things. All right. So that's how to change pair. Now, this was one of the most confusing things for me to understand with this crypto thing. That's what took me a really long time to come here. All right. So now look at it. What really matters on this side of things is just that it's divided into two phases. This is the charting side of things. This point is chart. This side has to represent the chart side of things. This side, this division, all right, has to do with your analysis. All right, this is your left-hand side. It doesn't really matter more. The one that matters most is where you get to execute your trade. I want to call this side trading side of things, trade side of things, all right, which is your right-hand side. So we're going to talk less on this chart. I'm going to show you how to do it. You guys already make tons of videos on how to do analysis, which is pretty simple. Our strategy can still trade it here, but then let's focus on the whole interface and really understanding how to execute trade with this new thing that we learn. All right. So let me just erase all these writings and then let's head straight to the business. So the most important thing here is we have the trade and the tool on the right hand side. So also on your mobile phone, all you need to do on your mobile phone is to click on derivatives at the bottom. All right. And you see we have the charts and then we have the trade. Exact same thing I just explained. Chart is where you do your analysis, and then the trading side is where you get to execute trades. So the two things. So now let's say, for example, you have all the settings I have here. Take a screenshot and replicate exact same settings on your own end. So I have, this is where the margin is being selected. So I'm just going to tap on this drop down, and then we have the isolated margin. Isolated margin means whatever amount of money that you fund into your account, that is the only amount of money you get to use to place trade. If all the money get depleted, it is done. They don't tamper with other of your money. This is what I recommend that you select. But by default, you'll be selected with cross margin. Change that to isolated margin. Where cross margin, if your money gets finished, like you deposit in that trading account get finished, then they get to explore other options so that they can keep your position afloat. So they get to check other wherever you have crypto coin, and they get to help you to use it to float your position. Who will send them? I don't know. So don't select that one. So we also have portfolio money, but then just know that for beginners like us, select isolated. And then you have to make sure the margin that you're selecting is 10x. I usually would not recommend more than 10x for a beginner like us in this video. All right. So you want to select markets. You don't want to select limit orders because these are like pending orders to set to place trade. So you want to just select market execution. Remember, on Forex, this is called market execution or instant execution. This is what you just need to do. And then order by value, that's what they have set here. Me, I also love it to be at order by value. All right. So in any way, I don't really use it. I just say, I just want to do 10% of my account. So they immediately put the 10% right there of the USDT value or whatever I want to do. All right. So let's have that scrapped first. So let's keep going. This is where I get to put the value that I want to order for. And then this is where my account is showing what I currently have in my balance. So right now I have 300 USDT right there in my balance. How was I able to bring it here from what I funded from my funding account to this point? That is the next question. All I just need to do is to click on transfer. The money I funded right now is it's either in my funding account. From my funding account, I need to transfer it to the unified trading account. Remember, I just had $100 from my funding account to my unified trading account. So I need to move all the $100 I just funded right now to this place. So if that's all that is in the wallet, I just click on all and it's a USDT. I just click on confirm. It immediately comes here. So now you see, I no longer have $300 there. I now have $400. So that's how you can transfer money immediately from where you deposit it to your trading account. So all of this money now, I can start trading with all of this money. All right. So then the next thing I just need to do is, other thing is, this is the contract details of BTC USDT. The expiration date is perpetual. Index price is 42,000. Mark price is 42,006, like that. So that's all you just need to do. Now let's place our first trade. Before we place our first trade, I want to make sure that on the mobile phone it's the exact same thing for those who want to be using phone. So what I just need to do is to come to the chart. There's nothing to set because everything's already nice, except you just want to hide some of these things. Like me, I don't like to have indicators on my chart. You guys already know. So let's just leave that because we're not even going to be doing analysis here anyway. We're going to be doing analysis from TradingView and coming here to execute. So I'm just going to go to, come back to USDT Petra. All I just need to do is to click on trade. When I click on trade, I have to make sure everything I have set here is exact same thing I have on my phone. All right, so it's on isolated, so there's no problem, no cost per alarm. It's 10x my margin, and then my balance there is 400 USDT that I have, and the limit, the order is showing limit. I want to change that to market because I want to be buying right now with instant execution. And if the quantity is showing that order by quantity, no, I don't want that. I want order by value, right? Which is what I will just pull in there. And then I can either drag for 10%, any amount of money I want to risk, like that, like that, like that. Then I can either buy or sell. That's the exact same thing that we also have here. So now let's, with the help of our phone, without doing analysis, just so that I can show you guys how it works. All right, I want to be able to click on buy right now. I want to set 10%. I want to risk 10%. That's I want to risk 10%, right? 10, and I want to just click on buy right now. Click on buy. So it's showing that since it's my first trade, this popped up. I'm just click on confirm. Market order successfully filled. The same thing on my phone, on my laptop. You see, market order was just successfully filled. So from there, where I just got in, you see, I need to put my stop loss. I need to put my take profit. That is the next thing I'm going to be talking about pretty soon. So you can see how this order is dangling here. Immediately I open that position. You check the bottom where it shows position, one position, right? You see, isolated 10x. This is my position. So my unrealized profit or loss right now is minus 0.21. That is, I'm down 30 USDT, 30 cents, 0.30 cents, right? So this is the amount of money that it cost me to place this trade. So all I just need to do, if I want to add stop loss or take profit, I just need to click on add. So to show you that too on my phone, all I just need to do is to come on trade, and I'll head straight to the bottom where it shows positions at the bottom right there. And then this is my position. All I just need to do is to set TP or set take profit. Then I get to put these things manually right now, which is what I'm about to do. So I could either set my stop loss based on percentage. Like here, I could just put, okay, I want to set I want to be risking 10%, or I want my take profit to be ×2, which is 20%, which is what I always advise you guys to do. Or you can just decide to add them, the figures manually, which is what I do recommend. So I'm not going to be using any of this thing at all. Instead, I want to just do my analysis. I want my take profit to be here, somewhere around here, 42,768. On my laptop, 42,768. So I'm just going to come here, put my take profit 42,779. Just change 79. All right, that's what I want, 0.01. All right, and then I want my take profit. I want my stop loss rather to be this point, 42,507. 42,507. All right, I just need to click on done, and I'll hit the confirm. So that is already confirmed. All right, so right now you guys can see that I'm already in profit of about 28 USDT. Remember, I didn't do my analysis. I just click on buy. It's nothing like analysis right here. I just click on buy, just so I can show you how it works. So the next thing is, I want to close out this trade. To close out this trade is as simple as just swiping and then just clicking on this X that is here. You can click on X here on your laptop or on mobile phone. You can just go and click on close by, and then you confirm, and then instant. So market order successfully filled. Then you have your profit right there. Remember, I had my balance at $400. Now I'm currently having $400.04. The same thing that you also did have here. This is how you can actually place trade, execute using Bybit. So this is one way you can have it done. You could also have it done as a Forex trader by moving things to MetaTrader 4. So now let me take you to that process. It's pretty simple. In order for you to take things to MetaTrader 4, you need to just hover around your tools and click on MetaTrader 4. So you want to copy this whole account, mirror it, and take it to your MetaTrader 4, which is what I really love about this Bybit. So you just need to do is to view MT4 account. Click on view MT4 account. But if you are new, just have to declare open an MT4 account. Because I already have an MT4 account, that's why it shows here. So once you click on open an MT4 account, get started, and you just toggle it on, then you should have your account right here. This is your account at the bottom. This is how you should open. All right, this is how it should be open. And in order for you to have money in it, because it's going to be 0, 0. Right now I have 300 I think $200 in it. It's just $200 because I funded $500 first and I split it across my account. I have $200 in. Let me show you how to move money inside from whatsoever it might be. First, you have to make sure you come back again. Remember, our money was transferred to Unified Trading where we get to use it to trade. So I want to take some money from the $400 here. And remember, I just made 4 cents. Stop playing with me. I just made 4 cents. You have to transfer that from the Unified Trading account to the funding. So from Unified to funding, I'll just click on, say I want to move about $100, the one I just funded in, I click on confirm. So that will immediately move from my Unified to funding. So I want to move from funding to MT4 next. So I'm going to click on MT4, click on transfer in. That is, I'm bringing the money in. So from funding to MT4. So or the $100 from the funding, I have to move it to that of MT4. Pretty simple. I have it on my MT4. Is that easy? So talking about downloading MT4, you could also do that on your mobile phone. All right. So once you have had that set, like by going to you do that on your phone, and then your MT4, immediately do that, your login details will be sent to you on your email. They are going to send you your server ID. They're also going to be sending your login ID, and then you're also going to have your account number, your login ID. All right. So this is still processing. Your $100 is going to drop pretty soon in your MT4. Okay. So now let me show you what to do. You swipe down again. You go to App Store. You download MT4. This is an app almost all of us have as a Forex trader before. Click on MT4. So I'm going to open my MT4. Right. When you open your MT4 on your Bybit, then you're going to send you your server and your information, your detail, like I have it right here. All right. So my editor, please kindly help me to blow out this information, because do not expose your trading account and your password, else someone can just go in and then blow your account for you. All right, so this is my MT4 account number, and then this is my master password. So all you just need to do is to copy 2 of them and also the server, and you download your MT4. All right, and this is the application. Go to App Store, MT4, launch, open, and then you want to click on plus sign at the top right there. Click on log into an existing account and search by Bybit Asia. This is a live account. So on login, you want to put your login details. So my login details shows this number, which is going to be blurred out too, so I don't want to call it. And then my password, I'm just going to be pasting it. Then I click on sign in. So the money that I have here at this back end will reflect immediately at this point. This is $300. So the money, that $100 has reflected. It shows completed now. And I have $300 here. So any trade I place here is also going to be reflected at this back end. So you can see right here, I have it Bybit, and then this is my account number, and everything is pretty much the same thing as though I'm trading Forex. So you see the cryptos, the coins that are here are just crypto. BTC USDT, SRPC USDT. You can see the spreads are very tight, not like your other broker, the one you see in the other broker. The spreads are very tight. So let me just do a quick experiment on BTC USDT. What I just need to do now is to click on chart. Just check. I'm not going to do any analysis because I just want to show you guys or practice how it really does work, right? I want to click on trade. I click on that plus sign. You guys already know how these things work. I just want to do 0.01. All right. Now I want to click on buy again. It's that same thing I did there. So buy. I am already in a trade. I didn't put stop loss or anything. I just need to swipe to put stop loss. I press on the pen tool, manage everything. Put whatever figure I want to put here. Put take profit, whatever figure that it shows there. That's how to put the stop loss and take profit. All right. So this is how you can actually connect your Bybit. You trade anyone you want. You can either trade from the app, right, which is what I just experimented, or you want to trade from the MT4. Just as simple as moving your money from the Unified Trading account to your funding, from funding to your MT4. Or if you want to trade on the app, their app is to move it from your MT4 account to funding account, from your funding account to Unified Trading account. Is that pretty simple? Now, the last thing is I want to show you how to withdraw. The withdrawal process on Bybit while trading crypto is very seamless. While on MT4, all you need to do is just make sure you repeat the same process. Transfer out, click on transfer out, because you want to transfer the money that you've made here back from your MT4 to your funding. Let's say, for example, we want to transfer out $100. So I'm just going to click on confirm. So this money will immediately go straight to your funding account. Then all we then need to do is to come to our funding account to receive the money. You have to give it some couple of minutes because it's going to take some few seconds to land right here. So it's showing that it's processing out. You see, it's processing out. So this money would be refunded to the funding account. From the MT4, we just successfully moved $100 to our funding account. Let's go check it. So on the funding account, we have $100 here. So from this $100, all I just need to do is to click on withdraw. If I click on withdraw, a new page just display open. All right, simple, easy peasy. And then I just have to click on the, since it's in USDT, I have to click on USDT. But I have $100 there, and then I have to put the wallet where I want it to go. I want this money to come back to how exactly I took it. So I took it from my own Binance. I just want to click here and click on deposit. I want the money to come. So all I just need to do is to make sure it's on TRC. Copy it. It's on TRC20. I'm going to drop it here. All right. The chain type is that it's asking me is TRC20. And then the amount, I want to clear everything, $100, all of them, all of it. So transaction fee is $1.60, which is okay. I'm going to click on confirm transfer. So done. So I'm sending this money to myself on this Binance side of things. So all I just need to do is to do verification. So it's about to send me a verification code, which is what I'm going to be imputing right here. Pretty easy, right? Next step. So withdraw, confirm, submitted, confirm. So the withdrawal is on its way to me. One of the reasons why so many people are actually shying away from trading crypto, let's be honest with ourselves, is because of people think it's complex. It has to do with a lot of mathematics calculation. It is not true. Since you already know how to interact with this interface, which is Bybit, signed up, all you just need to do to get signal from my Telegram channel. I'm going to be saying buy. Anytime I'm buying, I'll tell you to buy. Anytime I'm selling, I'll tell you to sell. So you can just get to watch off with my signal, get to place that trade off of your phone, and then get to profit when I profit. Also make losses when I make losses. Obviously, what makes me an expert trader is for me to make sure that my wins are way more than my losses. Trust me, the signals are just going to be back to back. Follow this simple tutorial process. You will be able to get along with this trading crypto as time goes on. I'm also going to be giving out for my students who are in the mentorship how to trade cryptocurrency. It's not a part of our curriculum. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to trade BTC, USDT, how to trade everything. And we also have in-house traders that are going to be teaching you how to trade crypto. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. Watch other videos if you're interested in crypto, because I'm going to be talking about the most important pairs you should be trading and why you should be trading and when to trade crypto. All right. I'll see you guys some other time. Bye for now.